Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to tell you about a prefab home company that has decided to expand east. Before anyone gets too excited, they're expanding from California to Arizona. So, east, but still west. It was recently announced that a new state-of-the-art facility will open in Mesa, Arizona, in addition to a San Bernardino factory that is now at capacity. This is big important news for anyone tuning in on or near the West Coast, and according to my analytics, that's a lot of you. The company I'm talking about is Connect Homes, with the addition of their second factory that will be 3 times the size. What I'm going to do is tell you about the new factory, check out a few of their models that you might not know exist, and get into their pricing. Connect Homes is a prefabricated home manufacturer who says they're revolutionizing the way homes are built to make modern living a reality. What they've got is a patented steel frame modular system that allows them to build a wide range of housing products faster and more affordably than traditional construction. I've been following Connect for a while now because I like the look of what they're building. It's a West Coast vibe that I think looks sharp and would be welcomed in other parts of the country. Connect Homes was founded in 2013 and have spent the time since then optimizing the way they build and deliver homes, but are now at capacity with Factory 1. As far as price goes, they've got possibly the widest range of homes available on the market. Right now, they're offering shelters to architect-designed homes, all being built out of their first facility in San Bernardino, California. A perfect hub for those located in Southern California, but not ideal for anyone looking to buy from the rest of the country. It was announced that Connect Homes will be opening a second factory in Mesa, Arizona in the first quarter of 2024, which could be as little as 2.5 weeks away. I would be surprised if they opened the factory on January 1st, but you get the drift. My guess is March 3rd, based on nothing at all. And if there's a factory tour available, I'm going. I'll be there. The new factory will have capacity to build 5,000 square feet of homes per week. That's 5 1,000 square foot homes per week, or 261,000 square foot homes per year. It's a lot of homes. All right. Sometimes I feel like there is such a shortage of homes that these numbers get lost on people. 260,000 square feet of homes, or 261,000 square foot homes, is a massive number. Just think about all the homes on your street and trying to build them all in 1 year. The press release states, "Our new factory will play an integral role in providing elegant, affordable homes to prospective homeowners and shelters for individuals experiencing homelessness across the Mountain West, and we are grateful to the City of Mesa for welcoming Connect Homes to the region. We are committed to being part of the solution to the acute housing shortage in California, Arizona, and across the country." One of the obstacles I see in the comments of a lot of my videos is the price of freight, preventing people from buying from a certain company because of the distance between them and the factory. And yeah, that's valid. What we're talking about here is shipping a full-on house. It's not like ordering a set of Ginch. You will not qualify for free shipping. With that in mind, a factory 340-ish miles east is going to cut down on shipping for some people. At least slightly for people outside of Southern California, because Connect does ship across the country. One of the things I like about Connect, on top of how the homes look, is they handle the setup. They deliver the home to site and also send a crew to set it up. I like that. To me, that just makes sense. I don't want to have to look after the setup. That's why when I order food, I order something like a pizza, not something that's coming as a kit of parts that I have to mess with before I can eat it. Guess I won't be getting a HelloFresh sponsorship. If you want to get yourself a home from Connect, they've broken the process down into 5 steps. Step 1 is envision, step 2 is select, step 3 is produce, step 4 is install, and step 5 is live. The process can vary slightly depending on what's selected, but more on the options shortly. It all sounds fine and dandy, but if they're building duds that nobody wants, it's irrelevant. Luckily, not the case. Let's have a look at what they got going on here. Right now, Connect has their business broken down into 3 categories, one of which I didn't realize existed. Their homes range in size, starting with a 460 square foot, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom home, but the type of unit purchased depends entirely on the buyer. The category they offer that I didn't realize existed until a few days ago is supportive housing. Connect shelters are described as durable, scalable, and completed in weeks, not years. Affordable options have been a scorching hot topic since I started this channel and well before that, and these are something that I think people are going to be interested in. They're offered in 1, 2, and 3 story configurations and can be built with 1 to 4 bedrooms, ensuite bathrooms, and kitchenettes. The most exciting part I saw was they can produce 20 sleeping units per week for as low as $25,000 per unit. Let's not get ahead of ourselves though. They are not selling single $25,000 units. back up the truck a bit here. The sleeping units go as low as $25,000 per unit, but that is likely on a multi-unit build like their Shelter 4. Either way, these are a cool option and can be built for 50 states, are designed to go on existing asphalt or concrete, and have an estimated lifespan of 50 years. From there, they move into their Pro Series, which is described as both standardized and affordable. The Pro Series was a fairly recent addition that I've mentioned before that was designed to save buyers money by expediting timelines. This is a fascinating concept. They have a set of base modules to make up the Pro 2, which is available by itself, or it can be added onto to make 9 different floor plans. So the base module is known as the Pro 2. I thought it would make more sense to call it the Pro, but maybe it's because it comes in 2 modules. I don't know. Doesn't matter. The Pro 2 is the base model from which every other model is designed. So what they've got here is a 640 square foot model that has a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, dining room, mechanical room, and living room. It's possible to get the Pro 2 as is, or you can add up to 6 modules to the base model, taking the home to a footprint of 2,450 over 3 stories with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, as seen in the Pro 6T. The way this plan is set up, the first floor is garage and entrance, second floor has a bedroom, kitchen, dining room, a bathroom, and the living room, and the top floor has 3 bedrooms, 2 more bathrooms, and the laundry. Worth mentioning, the main bedroom has an ensuite and a walk-in closet. That's living. One of the comments I see often is for larger options, and they have 7 between the Pro 2 and the Pro 6T. Lots of choices here. The highest end offering currently available from Connect Homes is their Design Series, which is said to be both flexible and premium. This series offers more flexibility with some customization and 15 different models to choose from depending on the lot, lifestyle, and budget of the buyer. Homes in this series range in size from 460 square feet up to 3,200 square feet, a wider range and higher prices. One that I like out of the Design Series is the Connect 3. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom model that comes in at 960 square feet. The way they have this plan set up, they've got the entrance into the living room with easy access to a coat closet and a mechanical room. People need somewhere to put their crap when they get into a home. Simple as that. From there, the living room is open to the kitchen, which has a big old island, and the middle of the home is where they've got the washer, dryer, and bathroom. On the end of the home, they've got 2 bedrooms, one slightly bigger than the other. I haven't been in this home yet, but it looks like a well thought out plan making use of the 960 square feet. Before I wrap this thing up, I am going to get into their pricing, but keep in mind prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting this video. I'm going to keep it to the homes mentioned, but if you want to see more of their pricing, it's all right there on their website. The Pro 2 has a base price of $169,000. The Pro 6T has a base price of $476,000. And the Connect 3 has a base price of $405,000. A wide range of prices here. They've got options up over $1 million, but I do like how they've added a more affordable option with the standardized Pro Series. Connect Homes is a prefab builder located in California that has expanded into Arizona with their second facility. They've got a diverse line of prefabricated buildings at a bunch of different price points, and it seems like there's big demand for what they're offering. I like the look of what they're building, and I'm excited to see their new factory, so I'll be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.